Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the volume buttons from a Dell Precision M6700. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide locking mechanism to the side to release the battery. Now unscrew, then slide over base to remove it from the laptop. Now use fingers to gently unsnap and remove keyboard bezel. Disconnect Bluetooth cable. Now unscrew and turn over keyboard. Then gently pull out securing clip to disconnect cable from motherboard. Then unscrew and remove DVD drive. Then remove hard drive screws. Now unscrew and slide hard drive latch to unlock and pull out the hard drive. Now unscrew and remove hard drive and caddy from the laptop. Next, remove palm rest screws from bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect palm rest. Then use fingers to separate and remove palm rest. Now unscrew and remove volume button board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.